Hello friends, how are you? My name is Sonu Susudia and today I will continue from the last video. In the last video I show you that I showed that how to install the AutoCAD. You know that the AutoCAD is common for the mechanical, civil and electrical. So today we will learn about that the interface of the AutoCAD and how many types of the interface we can work easily. Here I have a icon of the AutoCAD which is in a red icon, and I will teach you in AutoCAD 2014 because it is a lightweight software and it work in every easily. It work in easily in every laptop or system. So how it's open? You can double click on the icon of the AutoCAD or you can right click on and open to the folder. First I double click on the icon of the AutoCAD. This is the loading window where you see. In the duration of the AutoCAD teaching, I will teach you that 2D and 3D of AutoCAD and the advance of 2D and 3D. In the advance of 2D AutoCAD, I will teach you that the convert in PDF to the drawing file and the print setting and the block, the use of blocks. That means the pre-made of the of furnitures where you can design the 2D interior of AutoCAD. Now friends, I will teach you about 3D advanced in advance like lighting, background, sun lightings and environment effects. There is only all animation effects that you show the front elevation and the interior of any building or on the machine parts or any transformer. So friends, here we have the welcome window of the AutoCAD. Now I want to show you first. I maximize to the window. There is a welcome window in front of you. Here we have, you can open the new file or previous you can open your saved file. Here we have the samples where we don't want to use. Okay. Now here we have saved file we can use here, but there is a new file you can take or easily new file open already at the background. So we'll close the welcome window. Now friends, I wanna introduce to the interface. Here you see that is the interface of AutoCAD Classic View. Here are many tools and how to convert. So first you have to understand that first time when you install to the AutoCAD, it's open in another view where we can see here drafting and annotation view. So how it's look here. There is a different view. First time when you install it show in such interface where you click on buttons and use the commands. Next interface is which is 3D Basics. 3D Basics is a little bit of difference. There we can use the 3D commands directly, but you should remember the 2D commands. You can use also. There is a 3D modeling command. Here we use the 3D modeling, which is where it is similar to the 3D Basics interface. Okay, but the AutoCAD Classic View, it is simple to use because all commands are in front of you, and this is arranged in that form, and you can easily use the commands after the learning because all commands are set in your mind and easily you can use. But here I want to understand you that that all four formats can we can make 2D or 3D drawings, but easy to learn is which is AutoCAD Classic View. So friends, I want to introduce first that the interface of introduction. Now this is the taskbar of AutoCAD, which is where is the workspace switching where we can use the interfaces for four types. This is the taskbar where we open the dynamic, track, snap and ortho. Will close the grid which is not support to background. Okay friends, so I will show you that after. So friends, you can work in the layout first and second. But model view is so efficient for working because it has the black background which is not affect to the eyes. So next, I will introduce to the XY axis which is show the direction and the working. Friends, now the next is the view, where is the north, south and west and east directions which is show to the layouts and that we work in top view. Here is the top view and we are work in the 2D wireframe view. Or many works or many views I will teach you in the next videos. And here we have the other, which is the navigation bar, which is work for the 3D views. I will teach you in the next videos, or I will teach you step by step where we complete the 2Ds and 3Ds by the commands. So next friends, uh, I want to introduce that the icons of that AutoCAD. Here we have the 2D panel which is for the use 2D drawings, and there is the 3D panel. It is 2D panel and 3D panel. Here we have the command views and the normal views are here. Now the next trend is there is normal views and isometric views are here, and there is a measurement where we show to the measurement of any object to which is 2D or 3D drawings. There is the layers view which is used for only the 2D commands. I will teach you that about. And there is a block color. There you can change the line, and there is a you can change the line thickness, and you can insert any type of the document format which is a PDF or any type of image format you can insert and can uh, can see that what the behind it. And that panel is common for the all formats. Now here you can save, print or cut, copy, paste, undo, redo and pan. I will teach you about that. Okay. And the next is the design center, where we used 2D furnitures in the 2D drawings, where you can make the 2D interior of any drawings, or you can use mechanical elements or piping or other. Okay friends, so next is a quick calc. You can use the calculator for the use. I will teach you one step by step in upcoming videos. I just show you the introduction of the interface. Now here is the measurement, where we can only check the elements of or measurements of any objects or which is a 2D or 3D. And there is a views of 3D. I will teach you in the next videos. Now the next the lightings, types of lightings here. There is a lighting list and the sunlights and lights backgrounds are here. Now, and the next is the renders and rendering list in the materials, and final is the render. There is the two types of the renders, which is that image rendering and the video rendering. I will teach you how to convert and how to make. So friends, AutoCAD is so interesting. If you will learn about with me, and so it is so interesting. And now, so friends, there is AutoCAD, and now I will teach you step by step. Here is the home icon of the AutoCAD, friends. There you can use a new file. You can open the new file, and you can open the previous file. There you can open any previous file you have saved file. You can save or editing by the save as. And now you can export in PDF. I will teach you how to export. And now you can publish to the email. There you can print any AutoCAD files and the drawings files, and here you can close the windows. So friends, we will I will teach you that AutoCAD step by step 2D commands and 3D commands, then both of advanced things, and now the renderings. So it is so interesting software. If you like that video or AutoCAD, so please comment. If you have any doubt, you can mention, or um, I uh, I put my mail in description box. You can mail me. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Please like my video and subscribe, and please press the bell icon. I will update the many videos. You will get the information about an AutoCAD. So thank you.